Okay, hopefully this is recording me. We're back at the old Godot stuff here again. I'm gonna just run this. We've been at this spot before. The only difference is now, this is of course in Vulkan, and I've been working on some assets, getting the flames to look right in the Vulkan-based engine, getting the lighting, working on shaders, working on decals. Oh, and then I decided to, for those of you that didn't see, I've got a spotlight attached to this light to the camera, so I can check lighting, check details. Some of the things have been fixed in Godot 4.1 or whatever this release is I'm using. I forget. But what I did do, see if I can line this up here because it'll be funny. I put the physics started adding the physics bodies to these ships so that they can get bumped around. The other thing I need to bring over from the previous version in this Godot 3.5 is the motion control system. But gosh, they look, it might just be me, and I don't think the internet's probably catching it properly, but they just look better. I mean, with the decals, I haven't even done decals on the station yet, and the station definitely looks better. So, yeah. It's a weird thing. It's been well worth the flicking around, farting around, because I think these visuals are going to be worth messing with if I port my old code from 3.5 up to this and get it going. So, yeah, the planets are looking okay. The stars are looking well. The lighting, the global illumination, and all that stuff that just works now. I don't know. See if I can bump this really slowly. I don't want to bump it fast. I want to bump it slow. There we go. Move slowly. There we go. The metal looks better with the items in motion. It's just, I don't know. I guess that's a matter of opinion. The decals, even the light emitting decals, are working great. Of course, we got the wrong side facing. Oh, there's the dog. Got the wrong side facing the star. We'll get it, bump it again. Oh, there's a collision body on this camera too. That's why I can just smack into it and roll the things. But yeah, the ability to see it in motion now. Kind of exactly what I was going for. Right on. I may have lost the other ships. Oh, no, they've come to rest because I have allowed them to come to a resting state. But it is neat to see the lighting and the light emission stuff from the different angles. Yeah. I realize the screen might be pretty dark for some monitors because I haven't gone back and balanced it or added gamma control for people. But yeah, the thrusters are in. A lot of the effects, the decals are working the way I want. The light emitting decals are working. Cool. The reflections from the light emitting decals are actually reflecting off the reflective surfaces of the ship. That's pretty cool. We sit here, I'm gonna turn turn off my spotlight on the camera. There we go. Well, he came to rest. But yeah, that's where we're at. Tiny little update. And anyhow, if you're watching this, you obviously like this kind of stuff. Porting the code over has been fun. Got lots of help from Jim for that. Little differences that my brain are not fully attuned to from Godot 3.5 to 4.1. And slugging through it. Some promising networking tests. So network is going to be sewed in from the ground up. It's going to be, for those who understand what I'm about to say, it's going to be server authoritative. User input is going to be streamed to the server. The server is going to do the work on the objects, and that stuff is getting synchronized back out to the clients using the newer Godot 4.1 networking fixed stuff. Hopefully that'll be up and running too. Be kind of neat to be able to fire this up and have some people join in. Haven't figured out what the unit cap is going to be or what's even going to be available, but be just fun to do. Anyhow, yeah, so this is where I'm at. So I'm starting to throw in some of the old engine effects and flame thrusters, getting them in. They're going to have to get them a little bit animated so they twinkle and sparkle and flicker. Just little things that the Godot engine makes pretty easy. I got to get around to doing. I don't know. I'm just finding the Vulkan rendering is looking so much better, and what I'm finding easy for shaders. I'm even the basic materials are working great. So anyhow, again, if you like this kind of thing, thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video. Bye.